This video is on finding the area of composite shapes. In this case, we're going to be dealing with shapes of rectangles and triangles. Now, before we get started, it's important that we remember the formulas for finding the area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle is base times height. And for finding the area of a triangle, area is 1/2 times base times height. So the first shape we're looking at here kind of looks like a sideways L. And when you want to find the area of a composite shape, meaning it's made up of more than one shape, you need to cut it up into the shapes that you're able to find the area of, and then you add together those two separate areas. In this case, your choice is either to draw a vertical line to create two rectangles, or you can create a horizontal line to create two rectangles. I'm going to go ahead and draw the horizontal line. I'm going to focus first on rectangle 1. So I need to know the base and the height. Well, I have my height of 2, but my base length is not labeled. When you don't know the base length or a length of any side, what you should do is look to the opposite side to see if you can find the measurement there. Well, the opposite side here we can assume is congruent to this one. We know this piece of it is 4, and this piece must be 2, since this is opposite side is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So our base is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So the area of this rectangle is 12. Now we're going to take a look at this rectangle. Our base is 2. Our height is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So to calculate our final area, we add together the two areas we just calculated. 12 plus 6 is 18. Now the second shape we're looking at is a right trapezoid. And with this shape, we can actually cut it up into by making a vertical line, a rectangle, and a triangle. I'm going to first focus on finding the area of our rectangle. Rectangle is base times height. We have 4 times 3 being our base and height. We get an area of 12. Now looking at our triangle, we don't have the height or the base lengths listed. So for the height, I'm going to go to the opposite side to be congruent. Our height is going to be 3. And with our base, we know the entire length from here to here is 8. And I know this piece from here to here is 4, which must mean from here to here is also 4. So this side must be 4 in order for this entire length side to be 8. So now we'll do 1/2 base times height. Base times height, 4 times 3 is 12, times 1/2 is 6. Now we combine our two separate areas. 12 plus 6 equals 18. So we have our final area being 18 for that composite shape.